In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Later. Getting your time zone right ensures scheduled posts publish when you expect, your calendar reflects your local hours, and analytics line up with your workday. It only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, log in to Later. Open your preferred browser, go to the Later website, and sign in to your account. If you manage multiple brands or social profiles, just make sure you're in the workspace you intend to adjust, so the change reflects where you actually schedule content. Once you're in, head to Settings, then Account Settings. You'll find Settings in the sidebar. It's the gear icon. Click it to open the main settings area, and then choose Account Settings. This is the hub for basic account preferences that affect your scheduling experience. Next, locate the Time Zone section. It usually appears alongside general preferences like language or region. If your calendar times haven't been matching your local clock, this is where the mismatch is coming from. Now choose the time zone you want from the drop-down menu. You can scroll or type to search by region or a major city. A quick tip, pick the city that matches your location or one that follows the same daylight saving rules as you. For example, picking a nearby city in the same region is fine as long as it observes daylight time the same way your area does. This helps keep your scheduled posts consistent throughout the year, even when clocks change. After you've selected the correct time zone, click Save Changes. This is important. Your selection won't apply until you save. When you do, Later updates your posting calendar, queue times, and analytics timestamps to align with the new setting. Give the calendar a quick glance to confirm the times now appear as expected. If you collaborate with teammates in different regions, let them know which time zone your workspace uses so everyone schedules with the same reference. If anything looks off, simply revisit the setting and double-check the selected city before continuing with your queue. And that's it. You logged in, opened Settings and Account Settings, found the Time Zone section, picked your preferred time zone, and saved your changes. With the correct time zone in place, your scheduled content will go out right on time, and your reporting will be easier to interpret. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.